Hi, today we are going to make a web API using C# in Visual Studio 2022. So let's start. For that, we have to click on Visual Studio 2022 and then you will click on the Create New Project. Just to click on the Create New Project, then you have to choose the which type of project you want to create. So there are the various projects, as we have worked with the console applications and other ASP.core empty applications earlier. Now we are going to make web API, so you need to search web API for it. So you can search and you can type web API here. You just enter, you will get many project types here. So it will be F# and it will be like that in ASP.NET Core Web API native, like that. But we have to click on ASP.NET Core Web API for creating a web API in ASP.NET. So you click on this, then you need to click on the next button. That's it. Now you have to provide the project name which you want to give for the project. Project name and solution name can be different. That is your choice. You will take the same name or you will differ the names. So location, as you can choose the location, but for me I am choosing the same location. So for example, my project name is Employee Management System. So I can put Employee Management System or I can put any other name also. So this time I'm going to take Employee is a project name and I can put it as a Employee Pro. So it will give me the solution name as it is, but if you want to change the solution name, you can change it. I'm taking it as it is, nothing more than no change to take here. Now click on the next. When you click on next, you will get a framework here. You need to choose the framework. So currently .NET 8.0 is long-term support, so I'm going to change it to 8.0. You can change it to any other if you want, but if it is not there in your system, you can download it and install in your system. So there is nothing to change other options here. Just make sure that this checkbox should be checked, that is use controller, because in future, in the coming sessions, we have to make the controller. So for that you need to check it, like you make sure that the tick should be there. So click on this tick and then click on the create button. That's it. So this is your first coming screen in your core ASP.NET Web API. So we can see the solution explorer here. Automatically the name which we have given is here. This is a project name. There is a properties, there are the controllers also, and the main program.cs here. If you just want to run the program, you can click on the HTTPS. You just click on it and it will start. It will show you the first web page and the local host where your application will be there. So it will take a few seconds. It depends on your speed and system speed. So it will automatically show you the page where your web application will be hosted. So in my system it is hosted in 7082 port. So in your system the application will be in different port. So this is my Employee Pro and it is giving me the weather forecast API inbuilt, and we can make our own API now. So this is how we are going to create the web API in ASP.NET.